Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little bit special. I don't know how to say this, but right now I know I'm a mess, but at the end of this video I'm gonna be way worse than this because I'm going to do a full face with makeup that I hate. But before to jump into the video, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It just means so much to me that you subscribe to my channel and you listen my videos, so thank you for that. And also follow me on my social media, so Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat and Facebook. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So I'm gonna do my foundation first because at the end my makeup is gonna be so bad. So I have two foundations that I hate. And there's two from CoverGirl. It's not that I didn't like the finish of it, but I just transformed myself to an Oompa Loompa when I put one of these on my face. I don't know why, but the CoverGirl foundation oxidized so bad on me. Like, I look straight orange at the end of the day. Not at the end of the day, at the end of like 5 minutes. It's straight orange, ugly mess. But first, this primer, it's not that I hate this, but it's not my favorite in my collection, and it's the SmashBox Photofinish one. It's just a little bit too much silicone for me, and I don't know, every time I put this on my face, it's just that my foundation didn't look so good at the end. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the Stay Luminous foundation. I'm not gonna blend this into my neck, just to show you how much orange that foundation goes. That it expired for sure. But I love you, so I'm gonna put this on my face. Ooh, it smells bad. So I'm gonna put this with a beauty blender, like usual. So the finish of it, I loved it because it's luminous but not too much. It's just the color. I don't like the oxidation of it because who wants to be a Oompa Loompa in real life? So after that, for concealer, this was so pricey and I was so like ready to use it because so many YouTubers here in Quebec love this thing, and it's the Porte-Folio from, I will say Laura Mercier, but no, Lise Watier. I don't love this thing because it's so greasy. Like, I didn't use them at all. It's too greasy and it's creased so bad under my eyes, and I just don't love it. And right now it's dry, and I don't love this type of application, and it smells like kids makeup. But this thing is, it's pricey. It doesn't blend that well. Oh gosh, this is a hot mess, and it's so heavy under my eyes but doesn't cover anything. So, and gosh, it smells bad. I smell it. Ugh. And I try to do something beautiful for you with product. Oh gosh, it starts looking so orange. Let's be like super wild and contour with it because I have a contour shade. It's gonna be so damn ugly. It's so hard to blend right now. It's creasing like, oh, look the foundation right now. But the finish of this foundation looks so good on my skin. It's just the oxidation of it. Why you do this to me, CoverGirl? I need this foundation like no oxidation, just perfect. God, I look like a mess. Let's be wild and contour my nose with it. And the product lifts a little bit my foundation, so yeah, and it's tacky. Like, the foundation is not tacky, but This is it. I don't love these things. I try like so many options with it, like warm it up with my finger, trying with a beauty blender or trying with a brush, and anything doesn't work with it. It's just creasing like hell, and it's tacky, and it doesn't cover anything right now. My under eyes look straight blue right now. So for my brows, I don't like the, I would say, the super liner brow artist from L'Oreal. These things, it just, I don't know, it's not precise. You don't have a spoolie, you have these things like, what is this? You can do anything with this, and it's looking so bad when you put this on your brows. It looks like a brow block when you finish it. And this is my fault, but I pick a wrong color for it, because habitually I take the, not the darkest shade, like not the black one, but in the darkest shade from a range, and this one it's not dark brunette, it's straight black. So yeah. And you have this like wax. Oh gosh, this is a hot mess. Like, if you want to pick a good brow crayon from the drugstore, pick the L'Oreal Twist one. This one is my favorite from the drugstore. But this, it's just crap. The line is so like shaky because you don't have any precision with it. Even if I just sharpen it, and they are so freaking dark. I look like Jim's dad in American Pie right now. Gosh. This would be good if you do a cartoon Halloween makeup look. Do I look good right now? With my bulky brows and my orange. Yeah. So we're gonna do the eyes right now. And this is the worst product, and it's the Lancôme color design, and these eyeshadow are so bad. I just don't understand, because it's a high-end brand, but just why? So these are the Sensational Effect eyeshadow. Like sensational? Where? I didn't see sensational in this quad. I'm gonna swatch it for you. This blue looks so good. Like, look at this. This looks so intense and so beautiful and so metallic. I have nothing on my hands. The only one that looks good is this darker shade. So I'm gonna do a look with it and just pick this one, the little bit grayish one, and take the darkest one, the only one who is pigmented, and everything's blend like in each other. So I don't want to say muddy because it doesn't look brown, but it looks like bad. And with this Lancôme flat brush, they are not that good. I will take this blue shade. I doesn't have anything on my brush right now. Like, this is all I have right now. It's blue. I'm gonna wet my brush just because I want to be fair with it. It doesn't pick that much. Again, I'm gonna take my fingers and just rub this thing off so bad. Put this on my lids. And gosh, this eyeshadow is just crap, pure crap right now. I'm gonna put a little bit of that like grayish silver in the inner corner of my eyes. Everything in this quad looks so bad, like the tones, the pigmentation, the blending. I don't know if all Lancôme eyeshadow perform that bad, but if you see this quad, even if it's like $5, don't pick this up. I don't have any mascara that I like ate, so I'm gonna put mascara. So for my waterline, I will take this. I know it doesn't look that great with this blue eyeshadow, looks so good right now, but it's this J.Cats Beauty Makeup of the Day waterproof slide on pencil in bronze. Just that. Did you see anything? Like, this thing is so bad, and in the waterline, this hurts. Like, I just glide this on my waterline like 10 times and anything's come off this, and even if I'm warming up on my hands, it doesn't work. For liner, this E.L.F liner it's bad because when I bought this, the shape of it, it's just messed up. It looks like my hair right now, so. And also this formula is just too watery because when you put this on your eyes, it just smears off everywhere on your lids. So for bronzer, this thing is marketed like bronzer, but I prefer this like an eyeshadow because the pigmentation of it, it's so good, but when you use it like a bronzer, it's too, like it's pure glitter and orange right now. But this like an eyeshadow, blend all this up and I'm gonna try with another brush. Can I be more orange right now? For sure. And also just because the Lise Watier things was so tacky, the bronzer didn't blend that well. Gosh, I look bad. If you're new here, just like, this is not my usual makeup, so please don't go away. It's just bad makeup. So bad. I have the bronzer helmet right now and use another Lancôme. It's the Lancôme blush Subtil, and yes, this is Subtil because you can see it on your face, not like my bronzer right now. And this comes with this brush, like, and I just I don't love my blush to be that popping, but not that like disappear. For highlight, I didn't have a highlight that I doesn't like, but I have one in a palette. I don't know if it exists. So if Nars release a new highlight and this name is Miss Liberty, don't pick this up. And this is just straight up like pure glitter. It's just a white base with pure glitter. Like, it doesn't look that bad on camera, but when you look at it like close, you can see just glitter. Seriously, when I put this bronzer, my foundation doesn't look that orangey anymore. My lips, because yeah, we are here with this beautiful face of makeup. For my lips, I know that I talked of this liquid lips on my last video, but this one, this color looks so bad. The only one that the color looks patchy, so if you want to grab this one, don't grab this color. And this is pink really hard. I tried really hard to don't look like this. That looks cream just like 80s. Seriously, I need just my poofy hair and put scorpion. So I'm gonna zoom you in to see all this beautiful makeup look. Like, can you say anything else? That this makeup is pure crap. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this tutorial and I hope you're gonna reproduce this on your face. No, seriously. I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you soon. Bye.